Hey guys, this is Kiera from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue our series of making money with Clickbank using My Lead Gen Secrets. So first off, you want to set up your My Lead Gen Secrets account. There'll be a link in the description. All you got to do is put in your email and put in all your stuff, and boom, you're in it, right? Now the recommended is 5 accounts, which you become an affiliate for yourself under. Like say, you make one account, click on this here and go to this link to make your second account, and so on and so forth. So you can daisy chain and make a little money off of yourself, become an affiliate of yourself. You can sign up all 5 accounts under my link in the description if you want to, but I'm just trying to help you save a little money so you can make a little money here. So the recommended is 5 accounts, like I stated before, but just get as many as you can afford for now. That's all you want to do. You just want to start, right? So we're only using 1 account for this series just to test stuff out, but yeah, I recommend 5 accounts. All right, so we're gonna keep on moving here. Let's go to Clickbank. There's a link in the description for Clickbank as well. You sign in, do all the things. Very easy to do, very simple. All right, as soon as you get in though, you want to click on Marketplace. Marketplace will take you to this page here, as you can see here. Now over here we'll say categories. You want to go with e-business and e-marketing because the people that sign into My Lead Gen Secrets are interested in making money online. So this is why you want to go with this product here. You could get sales in other factions because there are people, and they are real people, and people could be interested in different things. Like somebody said they got a sale from health. I believe them, and I want to actually test that soon. I might test that out too. But for right now, we're going to focus on what we're doing now, just to see if I can get a sale with health and fitness. All right. I probably make like another account so I can tell real easily. But anyway, let's go here. Let's go to, when you sign in here, you want to go to Gravity here. You want to get in here. Now, I tried another product for a couple of days. I did not get any sales. This product here. Tried this product for a few days. I did not get any sales. So we're gonna go back to the product that does get sales and continue on from there. So what you want to do, you want to click on this here. But let me tell you the products that I've received sale. I've gotten sales on before. All right. So this one, of course, I've gotten sales with ClickWell system, but the average conversion rate is low. So text to speak like human like voices. This is not a make money online product. It's an item. Perpetual income. I gotten sales with this, but not with My Lead Gen Secrets. I haven't tried it. Paid online writing job. This is the one we went to last, and we did not get any sales with this product here. I have gotten sales with it before. That's why I thought it'd work, but it didn't work. So Scribble, you won't get sales with this. It's an ebook creator. It's not a product to make money online. Live chat jobs, I've gotten sales on this, so I may try this at some point. Well, I'm in affiliate system. Haven't tried this product. Writer app, I've gotten sales on this as well. So this is another product that's good to use. Maybe even try this new product here. This looks like a brand new product. Give this a shot. All right, so let's get on back up here. We're gonna do this Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube here. So we're gonna click on paying social media jobs affiliates, right? We're gonna click on that. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna click on email swipes here. We're gonna go to email. We're gonna go to $80-40. This is a good one. So we're gonna go $80-40 a week. We're gonna get this. Let's go to My Lead Gen Secret. Go to the mailing system here. Let's just set it up so we can get started here. So we're gonna pick the $80-40 a week. Then we're gonna pick first name fits here. And then we're gonna be paid for coming in on YouTube videos. or probably get paid. Let's pick get. On it. Hey, that's a good one. I think that's a good subject line. Sounds interesting. I'd be interested in that 100%. So we're gonna click on that. We're gonna click on promote here. Wait, no. We're gonna get the email. Sorry about that. Got a little twisted there. Got a little lost. Copy. There. Gonna post the email in there right there. We're gonna put our name right here. Go for that. Okay, we change country. We pick your area. That name. We're gonna pick the first name fits there. And you see paste. That's how we're gonna do it. Want to make 80-40 bucks per week? Just come in on YouTube, and that should do it. There, we're gonna hit the blue line to apply. Let's put some space between there, make it kind of clear. Right there. So let's get the link here. Email just one. There we go. What I was doing? I'm sorry, I got lost in the sauce a little bit there. But anyway, you click on there, you put in your email. I'm sorry about that. Put that in right there. You put your link in. You bold it, make sure it's very easy to read. All right, so we click on perfect timing here. All right, we're gonna preview here. We're gonna look at it very nicely. It looks very good. We make sure the link works. I always check and see if the link works. Link don't work, you don't make no money. All right, you don't make no money no matter if they want to buy it or not. So we're gonna send this out. This is a very good email, I think. So we're gonna send it, and we're gonna be done with it like that. So if you have more than one account, if you're using more than one account, like say you're using 5 accounts, what you do is go to your next account, but keep this page open so you can just copy paste the email and put it in there, and then you'll be set to go with that. All right, so what else we want to say here? This method makes money. This method makes money. It's simple as that. Now it might take you a while to make the money because you just started your account and you only got a few leads. It might take you a while to make the money. All right, but yeah, you'll make money if you follow these steps here, especially with this product. I'm confident in this product because I make money with this product. The other one I didn't make any money at this time around. To be fair, I only mailed 3 or 4 times, but I didn't make no money with it. So go back to the Facebook offer here. I tell y'all the truth, man. If I didn't make no money with a product, I just tell you. So the last 4 days I didn't make no money with what the product was. It wasn't live chat jobs. Paid online writing jobs. I didn't make no money with this offer. So I want to make sure I clarify that in the 4 days I had been posting, I didn't make any money with that offer, but I make money with this offer. All right, so you can come back to this offer here, and I'm pretty sure you'll make money eventually. You'll eventually get to the point. The average is around 21 days, 25 days. It's simply a numbers game. The more leads you have, the more chance you have of making money online, and it'll slowly get faster and faster as you build up leads. So that's why you want to start on My Lead Gen Secrets now. If you can afford 5 accounts, do it immediately. Make 5 accounts immediately, because the more leads you build up, the easier it would be to make money. Like I want to state For this, somebody made seven accounts. They got 7 accounts. They spent, I think, around $400 on it. They have made the money back within the first month. Going into the second month, maybe. They made all their money back on the first month. The first month, you don't even supposed to get sales, really. That's just the way it is with My Lead Gen Secrets. You might get a sale or two if you're lucky in the first month. But yeah, they made all their money back within the first month there. And yeah, so that's because they got 7 accounts going, and it's billing really fast, you know. But you want maximum 5 accounts. That's what I'd say. So, not maximum, minimum. Recommended. Also, one more thing. There is a product that works better than Clickbank in the description called Savings Highway Global. I make videos on that as well on the channel. That works better than Clickbank because you're building up income for monthly payments. So you want to sign in. Saving Highway Global is this thing that helps you save money on bills and whatnot. If you don't know about it, save money on a ton of other stuff that you already pay for in your life. It just helps you make money, save a ton of money, and a lot of people sign in just for that. So, but what we would sign in for is to build up a recurring income. And Saving Highway Global lets you have a recurring income for just $20 if you want to start with that. So that's in the description below as well. That works better than Clickbank. So give that a shot if you want to build up an income instead of just make money. Build up an income. All right, that's all I got to say. I wish you all the best of luck, and I'll see you again next time.